Welcome back, guys. Now let's make the controller, and in the controllers directory I want to make one more folder that will be backend, and within the backend folder I'll make the ringtone controller. So I'll write php artisan make controller, and here I'll make backend and double slash and no space. You should not give a space between the double slash and the backend here, and ringtone tone control controller and dash r. So it should give the ringtone controller within the backend folder. So let's wait for some time, and you can see we have a ringtone controller. So we have the backend and ringtone controller. So now, we have the namespace backend. So now let's make the route. Okay, for this. So here I'll make the route. So route, and I'll make a group route, and later on we'll give the middleware as well. So route and namespace name space space, and the namespace is here backend back and backend, and here I'll make the function functin function, and here will open and here close. So now every route for the backend for admin will register here. Okay, this is for only the admin. So route get, so the namespace backend, we write the namespace backend so that it targets the backend folder after the controller folder. Okay, so now here I'll write the ringtones, ring ton is tones, ringtones, and here are the ringtone controller, ringtone controller, and let's make the form. So we'll write the create method. So now we have to go in the create, and here in the create, so here is the create. So let's return something. Return, alright, just okay message to just check whether we got everything right or not. So here I'll write the ringtone, and so let's start this server php artisan serve, and let's go here and we make the folder as well here. So in the views I'll make the folder, and I'll give this as backend, and within the backend I'll give this as ringtone, ring tone backend or ringtone. So it's the backend ringtone, and then here I'll make the create.blade.php create.blade.php file. Okay, so now let's go, and you can see here we got a okay message. That means everything is fine. Now we just render the view here, so we have to return the view, and we have the backend, so it's the small b, and we have the ringtone, ring and here the form to create the ringtone. Okay, so in the ringtone here create.blade.php, I'll copy the stuff from home.blade.php, and here I'll paste it. So here I'll write create create ringtone, ringtone, and then I'll remove these stuffs. Okay, so I think I removed one more div here, so I'll remove this, and here I'll make the form. So form action and method post, and we need in type also because we have file also. So in type multi-part slash form data data, and let's close the form, and here will be label, and first I'll have to give a title for the ringtone, and then so we'll have the form group first. For div class form group, div class form group, and then one space here, and I'll close this div here, and here will be the input type text, name title, title title, and class form control, control control. So if we see look this, then you can see we got in this way. So here the title of the ringtone, and then we'll copy this one again and paste over here, and this is the description, 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 and input type we'll make this text area. So text area, and then class form control, control control, and now let's refresh. You can see the form control here. Similarly here, well, let's see what we have here in the website. So if you go here in the ringtones, then now we have this slug is generated from the control, so we do not have to pass a slug from the form. So slug will be based on the name, and then the file will pass to the controller, and the format will also pass to the controller. Sorry, file will pass to the form. However, this format size also pass to the controller, so we need only the file and the category ID to fill. So this will be the file, and type file, and name, alright, file, class form control, and let's accept only the audio, audio slash this, okay, so that it only browse the audio file, no images. And then finally we need to choose the category. So choose category for this particular ringtone. So here will be the category where we choose this category. So select, and then we'll give the class form control, control, and name category, category. Okay, so now let's see, and okay, you can see here we have now title, description, and where we can choose the audio to upload, and here the category. And now finally we have to make submit button here. So here I'll make button class button primary, primary, and then type submit, and here I'll write submit. So now let's see this. Now you can see you have a submit button. So in the next video we'll be making the category seeder. Okay, so we'll make the category seeder, and then we'll also make the seeder for the users. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.